Delfar Elevator is making the unremitting effort to pursue a better life. To ensure safe manufacture of various elevators, Delfar introduces the first-class international elevator manufacture technologies and equipment such as effective metalworking production line, precision laser cutter, intellectual digital machining center, multi-station punch press, automatic mechanical arm. Each elevator strictly abides by safe production procedures. It grasps product safety through sorts. Accurate, high-end testing instruments carefully check every detail. It guarantees correct elevator running data. Large-scale escalator manufacture workshop displays abundant strength foundation of the enterprise.